how to log in to another account in Instagram. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, launch your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged on to one of your profiles. Now just tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Okay, here we go. Now just tap on Settings and Privacy here. Okay, now scroll down below and you can see the option of Add Account in blue. Just tap on it. Now you can see two of the options. You can either log in to your existing account or you can create a new account for yourself. So let's tap on Log into existing account for now. Okay, now enter your username, email or phone number and enter your password. And then you will be able to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can also sign up and create a new account for yourself. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.